The CTEK battery charger. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the CTEK MUS 4.3 battery charger and maintainer. I've owned this particular model and recently gave mine to a family member, so I picked up another one online. This is a great charger and maintainer. It can revive your old car batteries and maintain a charge if you don't use your vehicle a lot. I have a vehicle that I just use on weekends and this maintains a nice charge. You can pick this up online for $62. I have the link in the description below. Let's take a look at some of the features. The charger has a few indicators: an error LED indicator, a mode button, power indicator, status of the charging, and the charging programs. This unit will work on small batteries such as motorcycles, car batteries, AGM battery types, cold weather program, and a recondition mode. The 8-step feature is what sold me on this device. It starts off with desulfation, then a soft start, bulk, absorption, analyze, recondition, float, and pulse. Below you will see how long it will take each step depending on the condition of the battery. Once the battery is fully charged, the indicator will turn green at the float stage. If you decide to keep it plugged in for a longer duration, say for long-term storage, it will go to the final step, the pulse. Below are the explanation for each step, and I won't go into detail, but you can find all this in the manual. The charger comes with an instruction manual, a bag to store your device, and 2 types of connectors. A permanent connector where you can hook it up to your battery terminals, and the quick connect that uses standard clamps. To use the connectors, you just plug it in to this end. On the device, you can see the 8 stages for charging. Here's the mode button to change the programming. For standard car batteries, you want to leave it at the second program here, with the picture of the car. So let's see how it is hooked up to a car battery. I've placed the quick connect clamps on the battery terminals. You can see the unit is now powered up, and the status LEDs on the top are starting to light up. So the battery status now is on stage 4. It needs to make it to stage 7 and turn green. The battery I have is fairly new, so it shouldn't take long. The CTEK MUS 4.3 battery charger and maintainer. I highly recommend this if you want to revive your old batteries or just to extend the life. I've used other brands before and this by far is the best. You won't have to spend unnecessary money on a battery prematurely. This is also great for those that have multiple vehicles that are stored and only used on occasion. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.